What up, y'all? I don't know why my camera's so close, but I'm back with another video. And I'm back with a review this time. Y'all know on Mondays, I'll be doing my Meatless Mondays. And I just found out that Panda Express has a Beyond Meat orange chicken. And I'm about to try it. But before we get into the video, y'all need to go subscribe, share, like, thumbs it up, thumbs it down, all that good shit. Make a comment. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, y'all. So I got the food. Y'all, it's so cool that they have Beyond Beef products. I want to show y'all how it looks. Let me see. So that's the Beyond Beef chicken, y'all. Well, Beyond Meat. But there you go. And I got a bunch of vegetables and a little rice. Ooh, I hope this is good. Oh my God, y'all. It smells so good. It smells so good. About to try it. Here we go. It smells so good. Yes, Panda Express. Yes. Now, usually, I don't like the substitute chickens, except, well, I like KFC's. KFC was good. But this right here, yes. Panda Express, you got Pimp's approval for a meatless entree. That's good, y'all. Y'all know I don't even be capping. That's it. That's how meatless substitute stuff supposed to taste. Close to the meat as possible. Oh, Panda Express. Yes. Hey, y'all. If y'all get a chance, go to Panda Express and try their Beyond Meat orange chicken. I swear, it's good. Got my water. I'm about to be out. Gotta get back to work. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. And I'm out this piece. Y'all make it a good one.